The happiness that can be obtained from any worldly enjoyment is very meager, yet the suffering that ensues knows no bounds. Regrettably, however, many people do not seem to realize desire's multitude of faults. They remain indifferent to the flaws and helplessly wallow in desire day and night. During their youth, many people expend enormous energy to pursue unnecessary worldly enjoyments, believing they have a long life ahead of them. But in fact, a person's life is rather short. The elderly know this well. From the age of 1 to the teens is a time of lighthearted childhood play. These years are like a dream, and they pass in a daze. The period from the teens to the 40s could be viewed as life's golden age, but it too slips away in the blink of an eye. Hence, you must hold on to the time in front of you and not recklessly squander your precious life.